Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm opening this giant box I have behind me. Look at it! So I ordered this rail from Element Skateboards. It's been popping up on my Instagram over and over again saying 50% off, 50% off. So I went and checked it out.
6-foot rail, 50% off.
And it's already cheaper than any other rail on the market. I think it's like $180. So it was only $90. But then, you know, shipping, taxes, whatever. Either way, it was half off. And even the half off is already, even without half off, these rails are cheaper than other rails. And it's just a big piece of metal. I mean, we're gonna open it. I'm gonna put this on my head so we can get a point of view, but I'm excited to have my own skate rail finally. So hopefully this thing's awesome. I've seen some people use it and it looks good. So this will be an unboxing / review because we're gonna skate this thing also. So anyway, I'm gonna put you on my head. All right, so here's the big old box. It's obviously not packaged beautifully. Got messed up a little bit, but that's probably what happens when you try to ship a giant heavy, you know, metal bar. So let's hope everything's in there and that nothing's messed up. What do you guys think? Okay. Whoa! Okay, so this is one of the legs with the Element symbol. Smells brand new. Got a couple of scratches, but you know, whatever. It's gonna get scratched when I skate it anyway. Trash. Here's the other leg. Kind of like this, the other side. A couple scratches, probably from being thrown around in the box, but other than that, looks good. It's pretty heavy, feels solid. These are pretty grippy, so hopefully it doesn't slide around when I try to skate. And then these little bolts keep it in. I think you can change the height and stuff, but we're gonna put it together on camera so you guys can see how it works and looks and everything. This thing is huge. So they have a square rail, which is one that I got, and they have a round rail. So if you don't like square rails or you want a round rail and a square rail, they have both. I figured square would be easier to learn stuff on because it's flat and square, almost like a ledge, but I could be wrong. I'm new to skating rails. Round rails might be easier, I don't know, but everything looks good, and it looks like everything was in the box. So yeah, and that's it. That's all you get. You get the rail. No stickers or anything like that. So yeah. Now we're gonna go outside and put this thing together, see how easy it is to put together, and then skate it, which we might need to wax it first. Good thing I have skate wax. So it looks like I just put those things in there, like the legs in, and then pop these into whatever height I want. So I'll probably just start with the lowest and then adjust it accordingly, because I don't really know how low the one on my skate park is. See how it feels and if I want to go more or less. Okay, so final thoughts on the rail. It's pretty awesome. It makes a lot of banging noises, but I mean, it's made out of metal and you're flinging your board on it, but it's pretty solid. I like go pretty slow in the end, and it doesn't really lift up the other end. If it does, it's like barely, and it's like not enough to notice. I obviously need to practice more. That's why I bought this rail, so I can do more board slides, try to learn 50-50 grinds and other stuff like that. So yeah, especially for the price, dude, this rail is awesome. So if you guys are looking for a skateboard rail, you should get this Element one. It's better to buy from a skate brand than some random thing on Amazon, because skaters made it. It is made for quality. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.